Follow the link in the description to DigitalOcean site. You will get $200 credit for 2 months by following it. Enter your card details and other required information. DigitalOcean account is now successfully created. Follow the video for rest. Make sure you have got $200 free trial. Now we are creating the VPS.
Let's go.
You can find this code in the video description.
Lead us home, yeah, lead us.
Wait some time until installation is completed.
to the system that we made. Breaking out right that we will create. Overthrow the greed, cause why should we suffocate? That is how the gun, yeah, I will lead us home. Yeah, I will lead us.
I will lead us home. Yeah, I will lead us.
Wait some time until installation is completed.